What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to explore an exciting and a practical addition to the camper van. We're going to add an electric deadbolt system and also an alarm system which will make a camper van safe and secure. By the way, did you guys know how easy it is to bypass the factory fitted locks? Check this video out.
I got broken into last night. Really easy. All it takes, black key casement that goes on the outside. All they've done is pop that off, snap the black bit behind, which leaves them the key exposed. All it takes is 2 twists of the mole grips. My van's then unlocked.
Shocking, I know. This is the reason why we need to add various security layers to make it difficult for the scumbags out there to steal our van, or at least try and make it look more difficult than the van parked next to us. So they would rather think, you know what, let's just nick that one up because this one is a badass. Alright folks, here we are inside a trusty camper van. So before we get started, let's quickly go over why adding an electric deadbolt system and an alarm system is a great idea to protect a camper van. So first and foremost, it provides an extra layer of security, deterring the burglars on top of your car's own locking system. Secondly, it makes it very difficult for unauthorized individuals to gain access because they are independent of your car's central locking system. And most importantly, they cannot be seen from outside. Compared to something like this, which gives you a clear idea where to attack, as you can see it from outside. And the alarm system is basically your house alarm system that connects to your Wi-Fi, but in this case it's connected to my van's Wi-Fi, and I've connected the door sensors on all 4 of my doors. So if someone tries to steal my van, what's gonna happen is the alarm's gonna go off. There's a siren outside the van, and inside the van it's gonna go all crazy on him, and also send me a notification instantly, so that way I can check if everything is fine. And now let's take a look at what tools we'll require to install the deadbolt kit. So the first one is a crimper. So you can crimp over here, and then it's also a splicer, so you'll need this one. An electric drill, a strap drill bit. I went with a kit which has 4 electric deadbolts along with a remote lock unlock. This is everything that you need. So I just attached the connectors, so that's all done. Other end, so that's how it should look like. We're gonna start by removing the trim. Next we're gonna remove one of the screw, which is covered by a plastic cover. After an eternity later, I managed to get it open. I just went around with just poking it around, removing these clips. You push down on this pin and then it just comes out. We got 2 more screws here, one here and the other one over here. After you lift it all up like that, you just push it up from this side, and then it should come right off. And that should do it. Perfect. just gonna put some paint on the deadbolt and then push it with the cable, and it's gonna leave a mark on the door, and that should give us a good idea of where to drill. That should be perfect. Blue one, put in the blue one, the brown one, and put it any of the fused red cable. This will go in the controller's main power connector, which is a 3-pin. Since this doesn't use much power when it's idle, I'm just gonna connect this to my car battery. Luckily, I found this cable connector under driver's seat, which has power from the battery even if the car ignition is off. So I'm just gonna connect it. I'm gonna power it up and see if it works. Lock, unlock. So if you're wondering how the alarm sounds when it gets triggered, here is an example. Pretty loud. Also, if you guys want to see the next addition to my van security, make sure you like and subscribe. And there you have it, folks. We've now added an electric deadbolt system and an alarm system to the van, which means we can enjoy our travels without worrying about our campervan safety. And remember guys, always prioritize your safety and security when you're on the road, especially. The simple additions can make a world of difference. If you found this content helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That's the best way to support this channel, and subscribe for more. Until next time, peace, bye.